Hi everyone, and welcome again to my I guess quarantine videos. So I decided to make my own caramel frap from Starbucks because I could not wait in those lines. During this whole closure thing, some Starbucks around my area were either closed or obviously drive-through only, and the drive-throughs were super long and it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth the $5 I was gonna pay for my grande caramel frap. So I decided to make my own, and this comes close to it, not really, but you're not gonna get the obviously the authenticity of the Starbucks brand, but this for sure does a quick fix for me. So if you guys like caramel frappuccinos, this one doesn't quite taste 100% like it, but it does the trick for me. If you guys want 100%, I'm sorry, this might not be for you. If you just want your caramel fix, I'm pretty sure this will do it for you because it did it for me, and I really love my caramel fraps. So what you'll need is you're gonna need a blender, and I have my thing from my Ninja, my Nutrient Ninja. You're gonna need ice. You're gonna need whole milk. Honestly, the milk is optional for you guys. You guys could change it to whatever you guys normally drink. I tried 2% milk because that's the milk that I usually drink, but it doesn't taste the same with the whole milk. To be totally honest, it does make a difference. So for me, it's whole milk. I'm trying to finish my milk because it expires soon. So I'm trying to make this as much as I can, because this is the only reason why I even buy the whole milk. If not, I wouldn't buy it at all. You're gonna need coffee. I bought this roast at the store. They sell them at the store, so nice for iced coffee. But I did read in the back that it's basically just brewed Starbucks coffee, water. Basically water and coffee. That's all they make it. So what's in here is actually my own roast. And what I brew is this Gevalia Cafe House Blend, medium. I'm not used to drinking a whole lot of coffee, but this stuff is strong. So if you guys want a strong coffee that you don't think it'd be strong, and like this one's pretty strong. I like it. So what's in here is no longer Starbucks. Is this stuff. I just want to get that out there. You're going to need this classic caramel syrup, and then the Torani caramel sauce. And I am not affiliated with these brands. This is just the stuff that I've been buying to make them. And then the extra creamy whipped cream, if you guys decide to put whipped cream on it. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't, but I want the extra flavor to it, so I do add the whipped cream. And this is a Market Pantry, and I got this from Target. And then you're gonna need a measuring cup if you want. I'm doing it for the sake of the video. And a teaspoon. The teaspoon comes in effect because you want to know how much of the syrup to put in. And I'd say do it one at a time and taste it from there, or else it'll come out tasting a little artificial. So I'm going to add the ice cubes. Grab your measuring cup, and you're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of milk. And then you're gonna grab your coffee. Like I said, this is, you could buy this at Albertsons or at Vaughn's, but since it's really just coffee and water, I'm doing my own brew. But you're gonna do a little over 3/4 of a cup. See, it's almost done. So I gotta brew my coffee again, and I just kept this because why not, right? And remember, you need to refrigerate it after you brew it. Don't keep it out. Okay, and then I'm going to take my teaspoon and I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. Because that is enough for me, I think. The last pour was barely even anything. And then you're going to grab your little thing here. And I'm going to give it a little shake. And then I'm going to place it in here. And when it comes out, it does come out a little liquidy, so I'm going to place it in the freezer for maybe like about a minute. Okay, so I waited 3 minutes. Long enough for my popcorn to pop, because this has honestly been my snack. So I just grabbed my caramel. And I put it around the cup. You could choose whatever you want. I have my plastic reusable containers for when I go to Starbucks, but I'm at home, so. And then I place and then my caramel in there. Well, my last one's messed up. I have this little thing, so I wash them. This is pretty neat. And then let's taste it. Like I said, it tastes really strong because of the coffee, but it gets my caramel fix and I love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I eat it with my popcorn. Sweet and salty. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do try it out, let me know how you like it. Again, remember to do teaspoons. If you don't like the way it tastes, beforehand, I would suggest to try it out while it's in the blender. And if you don't like the way it tastes, add another teaspoon of syrup until you get the taste that you want. I recommend not doing so much because it does taste artificial. Trust me, I've learned my lesson. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye.